What is up? Today I picked up the Topps Stadium Club 2024. Let's go ahead and see if we can get a big hit in today's rip. Open this bad boy up. There we go. Our packs here. Let's go ahead and shuffle them up. See if first pack. Oh, yeah. It's going to jump right out of my hand. All right, Strand, rookie. Abbott, rookie card. Satchel Paige. Tony Gwynn. And Curtis Mead, rookie card on the red. Looks nice. Second pack. Who's that? Sorry, I can't see the name. Oh, Connor Phillips. Parker Meadows, rookie. Bob Gibson. Ooh, what a card. Ozzie Smith. All right, 2 Cardinals back to back. And Johnny Bench on the, I don't know what kind of style that is, but it looks nice. We got Ramirez, Jose Ramirez, Shane Bieber, I don't know how to pronounce that. And Jeff Bagwell, oh, Corey Seager on the Power Packed. I like the look of that insert card. And a Caminero rookie card. McKenzie. Nootbaar, Roger Hornsby, Keith Hernandez, Jackson Holiday rookie card. Ooh, a nice card. I don't know if that's going to top the old Paul Skeens Chrome, but it might. It might just top that. There's a Jimenez. Sonny Gray, Arenado, Bryce Harper on the insert. What do we got here? Victorious of Velocity. The nice Bryce Harper insert. And Kirby Puckett. All right, three more packs left. Nolan Ryan. Pena, Contreras, Ernie Banks, oh, nice little chrome, and Jackson Chourio rookie card. Marty, rookie. Craig Biggio. There's a Stan Musial. Damn, I don't know where I got the C. Ooh, Rodriguez rookie card on the chrome, and Diaz. All right, back pack. So for a big hit here. Stephen Kwan, Jose Abreu, Albert Pujols. There we go. And the Cardinals jersey. David Wright on the chrome, and Shota Imanaga rookie card. Not bad for today's 2024 Stadium Club pack. And if you guys like these polls, go ahead and hit that subscribe.